Guys, what's poppin'? Brandon Whip just hopped in, but what's up? Welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna sit down and go over all the ice stuff I bought. I balled out during this ice season, and we also have a really big announcement. I'm doing a giant giveaway. So guys, just stick around for the video, find out what we're giving away, but it's one of my biggest giveaways I've ever had on my channel and or Instagram. So be sure to follow my Instagram at McGrath Fishing. That's where I hold all my giveaways. I'm pretty much doing a giveaway at least twice a month, sometimes more. So without further ado, let's get in today's video and go over everything we bought. Alright guys, so I want to do this video just because I need some content, obviously, because the transition between fall and ice honestly kind of sucks. I'm going to be out ice fishing this week. I head out with Eric Hadia on the day after you're going to see this video, so Wednesday. It might get rescheduled to the 29th because they are calling for like 15 to 25 mile an hour winds on Lake Michigan. When I talked to Hadia, we're going to get it all figured out. I might be doing a walleye with him on Tuesday night and then possibly do the bronze and the steelhead on the 29th. So that's all going to get figured out, but we got some cool trips coming. We're going to be back out in the ice. We're going to be fishing every single day. We got Mille Lacs on January 8th. That's going to be me and Trevor, and also Justin might be tagging along for that. So I ordered from, I think, one Fish USA, Cabela's, Euro, I don't know, a few other sites, I forget, but there's a few things not here. Matt, will you touch my phone, please? Nice. So items that are not here, I want to quickly go over. I have a $90 order coming from Euro Tackle. It's just all lures and stuff. You guys will be seeing that in the vids. I got a 32-inch cutting board. It's 32 inch, I think, by 16 wide. It's just a better like fillet board, just so I can do the catch and cooks. It'll be easier to do it on the ice. I want to do a lot of catch and cooks on the ice. One of the biggest purchases was a Helix 7. I got a Helix 7 Chirp with GPS, so I'm really excited to use that. I also got an Ice 35 flasher, and then we're gonna be having a Markham underwater camera. It's a super nice underwater camera that's gonna just gonna spice up like the videos a lot more. So a lot of cool underwater footage, probably for every ice fishing video, depending on what we're doing. So. And then the last one that are not here, I think I got about a $40 order from Frostbite, just some more jigs and stuff like that. So one of the first items is a clam jig box. This is just kind of something to hold all the jigs, smaller lures, little spoons, things like that. I actually have a few jigs in here right now, but that's that. So another one, I got this Frabill. This is like an ice scoop. It's got a measuring tape. This goes up to 30 inches. This will come in handy. I like how it's longer too, so you don't really need to like bend over and really kind of like screw around with it. It's got a giant scoop, so this will really take most of it out of the hole. So then the next one, I got 24K gold plated jigs. This is the number 8 size. I believe this is a 132 ounce. I got all of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the 12th there. I think there's one more in this box somewhere. So I got one comes in each of these, so I got all these jigs. These are gonna be good for the panfish and honestly even bass too. I got some new ice picks. These are made by Frabill, just to kind of keep you safe on the ice. These are honestly one of the most important things I have in my opinion, because you guys, you never really know if you're gonna go through the ice, and you always wanna be safe. So if you do go through, you have something to kind of pull you up, save you, get you out of the ice, and just, it'll go a long way. I got a 6-pound, this is all Seaguard. This is the ice fluorocarbon. I gotta put this on all my reels, but I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to do this video. 6-pound, 4-pound, 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 and then I got 8-pound Seaguard fluoro. This is just for my fluoro leaders. So for the walleye trap, pike, tip-offs, 8-pound, and I also got 6-pound, and there's a pack of 10-pound right here too. This is a UV light. So if you got any of those glow jigs or glow lures, kind of shine the UV light on it, make sure they glow. They're gonna be a lot better, they're gonna be more vibrant, and this is just a good thing to have. It's nice and small, compact, so it can fit pretty much in anywhere. Can go in little tackle boxes, even one like this size. This is everything that I ordered from Cabela's. Oh, here's another jig. I got number 10 size swivels. These are 30-pound test, 35-pound test actually, I think. Yeah, 35. I got a pack of 50. Those will be for my leaders for walleye and pike while I'm jigging. This is a, I think this actually, I think I've had this. I don't know, I don't think I bought that. Size 4 treble hooks for the tip-ups. This is a little Rapala, little Rip and Wrap Fire Tiger, and it's also glow in the dark, so that's why I said like that UV light, you kind of shine that on it and it'll really glow, kind of spice it up. I got a ton of these buckshot spoons. These are actually really good. I'll try and show you guys these. I got an absolute ton of these. These are gonna be for the walleye, jigging walleyes. I got all different sizes, but they're pretty much all the same thing. I got some panfish size, perch size, walleye, a couple different colors from them. but I got an absolute ton of these. This box is pretty much filled with those. One of the coolest items that I really needed this year, because I believe I have 6 or 7 rods total now, is a rod bunk box. So this holds up to 6 rods and also holds up to, I have all the, I actually bought 12 of those little tackle things I showed you. Here, I'll pull one out. So you can fit 12 of these in there. I bought all those, but I don't really need to show you guys those because they're all empty. My girlfriend Megan, who's actually sitting over there, bought me a St. Croix Legend. It's the black one. It's more of a panfish rod. I believe it's a 28-inch light, I think, but it is up north, so I do not have that rod this year, and I really don't want to drive 5 hours to go get it. So I bought 2 new rods. This is a 28-inch medium light. This is good for a bass rod. I guess it's a little bit too heavy for panfish, but it can help for a lot of other species as well. This would be a good even perch rod too. It's got some good bend, some good action. I got also, with this, I got a Daiwa Revros, an LT 1000 size, and then I got 10-pound braid on it. This is the Suffix 832 ice braid. I also bought that this year, but I already put it on. And then I believe I have a 6-pound ice fluorocarbon leader on this one. This is gonna be my walleye rod. This is a 36-inch medium. This is actually my Daiwa Tatula for my bass rod. It's a 2500 size. And also I got the 10-pound Suffix 832 ice braid on here with, I believe, and then this leader is 10-pound. Spencer Samplowski told me to go 10-pound with this just because Mille Lacs has some big walleyes, so this is gonna be like one of my main rods for those walleyes. And then right now I have a 1/4 ounce buckshot and Fire Tiger on there. Tip this with a minnow head and just kind of jig it. Like I said, we're gonna have the Helix 7 for that. Some awesome underwater camera footage from Markham. And then I have an Ice 35 Humminbird that I kind of thought about giving away, but I think I'm gonna keep it just in case. You never really know if I'm gonna need it, and I'm gonna let Trevor use it this year because Trevor actually got home yesterday, as in Saturday, so he's gonna be using that for the year. I kind of went over like what didn't come. Again, that cutting board, the Helix 7, some Frostbite jigs, and last but not least, that order from Euro. So this is gonna be a short little video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys everything I bought. I definitely balled out this season. If you guys have any questions about what I bought, what sizes, colors, anything like that, just kind of drop me a comment, DM me on Instagram at McGrath Fishing. I'll answer all questions. I never not respond to anyone. I'm probably not gonna link everything in this video just because there's so much stuff to link. It'd literally take forever. So if you guys have questions or you wanna know something specific that I have, I can answer that question. So one of the main things that is gonna be really cool on December 30th, I believe that's a Thursday, I'm not really sure. We are gonna be doing a $1,300 value giveaway, and this is everything that we're gonna be giving away. We're gonna be giving away 2 GoPro Hero 6s, a St. Croix rod and a Daiwa reel. That's gonna be a 7-foot bass rod, a Premier bass rod with a Daiwa Tatula most likely. We're gonna go with 4 FTA shirts, one of them being the new King Salmon design. This is gonna be on the website any day now. We're gonna do all the Googan baits I have left over just because I bought Googan baits a while back, just so I wanted to try them. Used them once. I got the sponsorship with X-Zone, so now all I use is X-Zone. So we're gonna be giving away all that. We're gonna be doing $200 cash, straight cash, and we're gonna be doing $75 at Bass Pro Shop. It's gonna be a giant giveaway. This year has gone to absolute shit, so we want to give back to you guys, kind of show that we care. I honestly want to thank all of you guys for the support, the YouTube subscribers. This year has been really big for me. We're almost at 9,000 on Instagram in less than 2 years. I probably would have hit 10K if they didn't take recent hashtags away. Or they took recent hashtags away for the presidential election, so it kind of screwed everyone up, even companies. Everyone's kind of like losing followers in a way, not like reaching more people. But I think this giveaway is gonna be pretty cool to do. Like I said, we just want to give back to you guys and do things like that. So that giveaway is gonna be launched on December 30th on my Instagram at McGrath Fishing. So be sure you're following me. Watch for that giveaway, guys. It's gonna be one of the biggest giveaways that I've ever given away or anything. So it's gonna be me, Justin, and Follow the Action collabing on this giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy it and also enter into it. So if you guys have any questions about anything I showed here today, I'm also gonna film some close-up shots so you guys can kind of see, because it's kind of hard to hold things up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today. Like I said, it's gonna be short, simple, sweet. I just kind of want to let you guys know what I bought for this ice season. I'm really excited to get out there on the ice, get fishing, and kind of just get back to the everyday grind, go back to 2 videos a week, and kind of stop these sit-down videos. But the podcast will keep coming. Everything's gonna kind of just follow. It's a very big plans coming. Again, Hadia, that's gonna be an awesome trip. Mille Lacs is coming up. Me, Trevor, possibly Justin, we're not really sure yet. We got to figure out, because we do think that Justin can fish every other state besides Wisconsin. Hopefully we can get that in order. I'm really excited to kind of show you guys the videos, the underwater footage. I'm keep repeating myself, but giveaway December 30th. All the ice fishing stuff, I believe a lot of the stuff was, I'm not gonna say a price, but let's just say it was very expensive with the Helix, but it was time to kind of ball out for the ice season, get prepared. But with everything I bought, I'm honestly kind of prepared for like the next like 2-3 years. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be sure to like, hit the subscribe button. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. I know we're at 1 video a week, but we're going back to 2. And thank you.